Say hi, baby.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Saranghamnida.
Guys, and for today's video, Melody will unbox the cell phone that ㅎㅎ sent to her and to ㅎㅎ. But ㅎㅎ is not here because her house is little bit far to my house. So she will unbox it. And let's see.
ㅎㅎ, I'm so excited to open it, please. Thank you for this. So, now, I have own phone. So, thank you so much.
Be careful, baby.
Excited na ako.
Be careful. Baka masugat yung cellphone. Very safe.
Paano talaga siya na?
Mm.
It's my first time to open.
So ㅎㅎ cell phone, we will not open it because she's not here. So we'll see where is.
This is for Rachel.
Oh, this one is for Rachel. So we cannot open this one. Only Melody box. So Melody, open it.
Thank you, ㅎㅎ.
Sorry guys, because here is already raining. And
This one, guys, is cell phone. So, I will.
show her. Show here. This one is iPhone XS and
So, this is cover.
cover.
Also, cover.
Yes. And
And this one, charger, and
this one is for
this
Ah.
back.
like ring. Ay, sorry. I don't know.
So, thank you, ㅎㅎ, again. I will take care of this. I'm happy so much.
So that's it guys, because ㅎㅎ cell phone we cannot open that. She will open that. I will give to her. So that's it. Thank you ㅎㅎ for this. Melody very happy.
Guys, na-appreciate ko po to, ㅎㅎ. Natatouch ako.
She's ano na? She's touched. She's very touching. Thank you ㅎㅎ for this. Melody so much happy. That's it guys for today's video. Thank you. See you next. Hi guys, and for today's video, we are going to unbox Mr. Kim package for baby snack. So let's go guys. Let's check what's inside.
So, I can do this, guys.
So babies already gathered, 5 babies. So babies excited. I use mask because you know my treatment of my teeth is not yet done, so I'm shy.
Oh.
So nothing. Babies very behave guys. They are behave. Wow. So
Wait
first,
lang.
this one. We have this one. This one. Wait.
This.
Wait lang. Let's put where this here. We'll put here. Opo, later.
Choco.
Later.
Action, bebe.
Here guys. And this one guys. We have biscuit. So later we are going to give
Also
the baby.
this. Yeah.
Let's check out first.
Almond. Chloe's favorite.
You know guys, Chloe's very favorite
favorite is almond. So she's very happy that we have one. And this one, guys, biscuit. This one. And almost all this one, guys, is baby's snack. So biscuit. Biscuit. Or sugar.
Pero pati bagay ko nagbabarig mo.
And this one, guys, is like mamon. Mamon. Also this one, biscuit. Biscuit. Alat lang pa. Ano pa? Butter waffle. Yeah, waffle. Waffle. And, sorry. This one. And this one, guys. This one, baby's very excited. But, here guys, we have a medicine for babies. Let's check it. Sir Jean, send this to me because...
na.
Alaw na gayon pa. Tatya na lang. And this one, guys, I think this one is for headache. I'm not sure, but before Sir Jim sent this to me, this is very effective, guys, because my head is always hurt. And this one is I think ointment for babies. For blood hurt.
Oh, blood hurt.
Sana yung And this one is, yeah, for baby also, cream.
Also guys, nagpa-plant po kami.
And this one,
Planting.
pakwan,
Strawberry. Watermelon. Ay, ano?
I think it's only for Korea. I don't know what is it. I will ask Surgeon later.
Tomato and vegetables.
So, that's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much, Sir Jean. Baby's so much happy. Say hi, baby.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Saranghamnida.
Thank you, Sir Jean, for all this. Baby's so much happy. Later, I will give it to them. So, thank you guys for watching. That's all for today's video. See you next. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.